Arutwo aya a mathomo megie urigitani na utaaramu wa dawa mahandite miti ya kimerera mwena wa Mount Kenya Pavilion Thika, makiuria a Kenya angi kuhimbiria uhandi wa miti na umenyereri wa maria maturigiceirie.
Mimera mingi ni huthagirwo hari kurigitana muno guku Africa ona kana kuria China, na koguo riria tukuhanda miti umuthi ni tukora miti iria hihi ingikorwo ikihuthirwo ni undu wa maciaro ta matunda o hamwe na kuhuthirwo ni undu wa kurigita andu. Tari umuthi tuhandire avocado iria cikoragwo ci nyingi muno guku bururi-ini, na ni tuwe bata wacio hari guteithĩrĩria hari mirimu ya ngoro ona kuhuthika hari maguta maria magiriire. Ataaramu a ugima wa mwiri matongoretio ni Profesa Peter Kirira makiuria thirikari kugathika mawatho maritaritu hari bara ya kuhurana na aria makoretwo magitema miti hatari kihariro kuona nio maracungirira ucenjia wa riera.
When people cut down trees for purposes of charcoal, for purposes of non-renewable energy, that has consequences. One, the population of the world is increasing, resources are getting scarce, so we can't allow people just to keep chopping down trees without replacing them.
I want to mention that global warming is real. We have seen the way when there has been a lot of climatic changes. A few years ago you'd predict the rain patterns, but because of the fact that we have not been very kind to nature, that has affected the way even our seasons are, and therefore we are all called to be stewards of the environment, and that's part of the theme of our event today. We take care of our environment.
Na kuo mwena wa Kang'oki giceceni-ini kia kambuni ya Thiwasco, Moses Kenya atongoretie anyiti itemi angi kuhanda miti makiria ya 5,000 akihuthira mweke uyu gutariria mubango wa kuongerera mai matheru gicigo-ini gia Thika.
Mukakati umwe tunyitaniire na thirikari itu nene na thirikari ya county na Impact Fund ya Denmark kana twita Deninda, project ini ira twitaga Thika Githunguri Water and Sanitation Project, na project iyo riu ni abatirite muno tondu design irikite orona tender documents tayari. Riu turorete guikia kandarathi iyo, na project iyo ni ya muhimu muno tondu ni gutwakira demu igutuigira mai milioni 14.6 cubic meter.
Ino ni ceceni ya Inoro TV Thika, na nie njitagwo Moses Ngige.